Welcome back to my channel Commerce Tutorial. So today I am going to talk about one important method of teaching, that is deductive method of teaching. In my previous video I have already discussed about inductive method of teaching. Today I am going to talk about this deductive method of teaching. What is deductive method of teaching? Deductive method of teaching is it's exactly opposite of inductive method of teaching. In inductive method we have to move from specific to general, but in deductive method we have to move from general to specific. That means we are given some rules, some features, some habitats, some behavior. From that rules we have to conclude some specific conclusion. That means we have to move from general to specific. For an example, if we are given some features, some habitats, some food behavior, some unique characteristics of amphibian, we have to go through that. After going through in details, we can conclude, we can go with a specific conclusion that a frog is an amphibian, because we have to compare with frogs behavior and amphibians behavior. So after going through all amphibian features of amphibian, we can easily conclude that frog is an amphibian, it belongs to amphibian family. Similarly, if we given all characteristic features of a reptile, after going through this, we can easily conclude that crocodile belongs to reptile family. So this is the deductive method of learning, where we are given all notes or ready-made materials. Notes, basically students are given ready-made notes and material by their teachers, and they just have to read them and give their examination. That is the flow. But there is some disadvantage of this method of teaching. What is the disadvantage? This method is very much spoon fitting method of teaching. This method doesn't develop the thinking capacity of the student. There is no any opportunity from the student to to develop their thinking capacity, to think about some creativity, to increase their creativeness. This is all about a ready-made learning, a machine learning, a rote learning, nothing else. But this kind of teaching is useful in nursery level, because in that level pupils are students not able to think at their own, to think some creativity, to think some creativeness. So in that stage, teachers have to help them, teachers have to provide them notes, materials, teachers have to learn them. So in that case it is useful. But in high school level, in graduation level, in post graduation level, or in doctor in post graduation level, in doctoral level, in post doctoral level, it is not suitable, the method of teaching. So disadvantage is there. Apart from advantage, disadvantage, advantage, all are there. So unlike the inductive method, it is from general to specific, whereas inductive method relates to specific to general. Many more things are written in your books, you can find, you can read, but in precise form, this is the main thing, that what is deductive learning, that is general to specific, spoon fitting, root learning, ready-made material is given, no opportunity from the student side to think properly, to think some creative idea, to think about some creative idea, in nothing. Basically a machine level, basically a machine, um, a machine learning. Basically there is no any opportunity to provide something which is which is new from the student part. Also they just have to follow instructions, they just have to follow the notes, they have to blindly follow their teachers, their mentors. Their own separate participation, separate thinking, their thinking contribution is nothing, is all zero. But in some cases it is useful, and in some cases it is not useful. So this is all about deductive method of learning. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and share with your friends. I hope your preparation is going in a good manner. Your JRF is coming. Best of all, the best of luck again. Thank you so much to watch my video till the end. Thank you so much, guys.